Next, we're going to do 7.6, natural logarithms. So you will be able to evaluate and simplify natural logarithmic expressions, and you will be able to solve equations using natural logarithms. The essential understanding. The functions y is equal to e to the x power and y is equal to ln of x are inverse functions. Just as before, this means that if a is equal to e to an exponent b, then b is equal to the ln of a, and vice versa. So that's kind of like when we were doing log is bay and Abe. Once again, the key concept here, if y is equal to e to the x power, then x is equal to log base e of y, which is what we call ln. So whenever a log has a base e, we're going to use ln instead of log. We are going to use the same properties that we did with logs. 2 ln of 15 minus ln of 75, written as a single natural logarithm. We're going to take the 2, bring it as the exponent. So we have ln of 15 squared minus 75. ln of 75, I'm sorry. Subtraction tells me division, so this is equal to the ln of 15 squared divided by 75. And we can do that. 15 squared divided by 75 is 3. So ln of 3 would be our single natural logarithm. We can use our inverse relationships between y is equal to ln of x and y is equal to e to the x power to solve certain logarithmic and exponential equations. So, when we have ln in our equation, we want to put it to the exponential form. So, ln of x minus 3 squared is equal to 4. Our base is e. This is our exponent. 4 is our exponent. So, e to the 4th power is equal to x minus 3 squared. We would square root. E squared is equal to x minus 3. Add 3. And if we are getting confused at what e is, we have to remember that e is that magical number in our calculator. So second ln gives me e to the, and we want second power. So e to the second power plus 3, enter, 10.39. So x would be equal to 10.39. If we have the exponential form, we want to get e by itself and then ln both sides. Just before we were doing logging both sides, now we want to ln both sides. Subtract 2. 4e to the 2x power is equal to 14. Divide by 4. E to the 2x power is equal to 7 over 2. I'm now going to ln both sides so that I can take my exponent and bring it to the front. I then have 2 times x times the ln of e, which is equal to the ln of 7 over 2. ln of e is going to cancel to be 1. So now we just have 2x. We can divide by 2. And x is equal to, in my calculator, I'm going to type ln of 7 over 2, close parentheses, divided by 2. So my answer would be 0.626. As you can see, ln, or the natural logarithm, is using all of the properties that we've already have learned about for logarithms. And you guys try this one. 2 ln of x is equal to 4.